So, class 12th, today we have a new topic, and that is creating a Python library. We can say library also like a package. That means either I will say it is a package, either it will say it is a library. These both words we can use interchangeably, no problem. We can call library also, and we can say package also. So a package is a collection of Python modules under a common namespace created by placing a different modules on a single directory along with some special file such as init.py. My dear students, we have seen how to create a module. A module is a file which consists of functions, statement, and variables. And if we want to use that statement function, so we are importing that module to our program and we are working. But here, the new topic, that is the package. Why we are using a package, that is another question. So the answer of that question is why we are using the package. Suppose we have to create a different module. Yeah, we want to create more than one module and we have to use in a different applications. So if we are creating our source file on the different locations, so we have to bring our modules also to that locations. Yeah, if we want, when ideally it is open, our modules also work with the ideally, so we have to create in the form of package. Ideally, you understand the Python environment. If we want it may work, so we need to use the package. We will see today how to create a package, how we will make a simple folder as a package folder, how we will create the modules inside the package, and how we will register that package to our Python program. It may work with all programs. We will see today. First of all, we will see what is a package. A package is a collection of Python modules under a common namespace. That means for creating a package, we need one folder. We have to create one folder. We have to give some name of that folder, and then after we have to keep all the modules file in that folder with a special file, and that file name is init.py. If inside the folder init.py file is not available, so Python compiler will not consider it is a package folder. It will consider simple as a folder. So here I will show you how we will make a folder with a package. First of all, I will create one folder, new folder, and here I will write name online package, a simple online. And inside the folder, I have to create one file, new, and I have to create one file, and for example, here let me to see it is working on a text document, and I have to write like that, one underscore or two underscore, no problem, init, init, again, and two underscore dot py. Now we have to consider as two properties, and we have to change this type of file. So it is not considering as a Python program, so delete it. With the help of ideally, we will open and new, and simply I will save as to the desktop, to the online folder and I will write name init underscore dot py. Save it and we will close. This init.py, this file is an empty file. We do not need to write a single letter in this file. Only we have to make it empty. So look here, this file is created. Now this folder is considered as a package. If inside the folder init.py file is available, so it is considered as a package, otherwise it will be considered as a simple folder. Now, after that, whatever the module we want to create, suppose I want to create a module validations, and I'm going to save inside the desktop online, and I'm going to keep the name validations. And here I'm going to write the triple quote validations module have different functions for validating text and numbers. Okay, this is it. Now I'm going to define here validate here as text validations. If A in A B C, yeah, exactly like if A is alpha, condition true, then return true, else return false. Clear? And here I'm again going to put here documentations. These functions is used to check the parameter is the parameter contains only text or not. Okay. Okay. Now file and I save it. So after that, look here. Click on save. It is saved and it is inside the folder online. Now here, after creating this package, we have to associate with a Python installation. And how will I do? I will show you. Open the IDLE and type here import sys. And then after we will write here print sys.path. And we have to search that path in which it is showing the site package. Look here, this one. Clear? And we have to copy it. And then we have to go to the run command. And we have to paste here. Okay, actually this one is not containing any, this one. Look here, this all package files are open here. There are different packages are stored. Now what we have to do? We have to copy this online folder and we have to go to that folder, site package, and we have to paste it. Now this pasted here, okay, and close it. Now here, by using this IDLE, close and just open here and write down import online dot asterisk. Yeah, import online dot validations. Look here, validation is clear here. Now we have to write here function's name. Now it is a way of what? Importing the package. How we will import? Just look here. What is the package name? Online. So if we want to import all the files, so we have to write here import online, and then we have to write online dot validations dot text validate hello. We have to see once again what is the name of that one. Validations copy. Now inside that one we have to see once again what functions are there. Text validations copy, and let me to close this one also, and let me to minimize, and here we have to write hello. It is not showing, so here what we have to do, we have to write here import online dot validations as Vikas, and then we have to write here Vikas dot text validations hello. It came here. We are writing here Vikas dot text validations hello 1 2 3. So it will come false. Look here, I'm able to access here, and you are getting problem with how we are accessing. So with the previous video, you have remember how we are accessing the module. Import is the keyword that importing the modules. And what is the package name? Online. So we have to write here from the online package. Clear? From the online package, which modules we are using, that we have to write the names. That's why I have written here import package name online and module as your validation. So here everywhere we have to use online dot validation. That's why I have created here a nickname here, we can say as alias, because everywhere you do not need to use online dot validation. I can use as a what? This whole words as a Vikas. That's why I have written here Vikas, and in the validations I have a function that name is a text validation, and we are passing the text parameter, so it is running true. And if we are passing another parameter which contains text and other symbol, it is returning the false. So these are the way to create a module and to create a package and to register your modules. So thank you, class. Next video I may show the different way how to register, yeah, how to create, what things you have to keep in your mind to create a package. Thank you.